Page quality. Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to find your page quality on Facebook app easy and quick. So first thing, go to your Facebook app, click on it and click on those three lines up there. Now all you need to do is click on your page and now scroll over this list and you're gonna find more. Click on it. In here you're gonna find page quality and this is your page quality. So this is your some of your information, like your page has no restriction or violation or something like this. In here you're gonna find your page quality. Hope this video was helpful to you. If you liked the video, don't forget to subscribe and like.